LG's Smart Washer combo with washer and dryer has 3 dedicated dry cycles. Perm Press Dry, which minimizes wrinkles and wrinkle-free fabrics. Delicates Dry for lingerie, sheer, or easily damaged fabrics. And Dry Only. To customize the dry cycle, tap the Dry button on the control panel to set your drying options, including normal, damp, and energy saver. You can also apply a time dry at 30, 60, 90, and 120-minute intervals. Simply stop on the option to select the cycle. You can view your selection on the dial next to Dry. Soil, Temp, and Spin are dedicated wash options and are not applicable to the dry cycle. You can also access these options in both the Delicates Dry and Perm Press Dry cycles.